Hey guys, my name is Darius Richmond, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple DIY air freshener. Let's just be honest, sometimes, our rooms can be smelly, whether it's from laundry or just living in a tiny space, or maybe you have trash laying around that needs to get taken out. And, because most dorms don't allow you to have candles, it gets hard to freshen up the room sometimes. But today I have an easy solution for you guys. Today, I will be showing you guys how to make a simple, natural air freshener using only 3 ingredients. All right, so the first ingredient that we're gonna be using to make this natural air freshener is baking soda. If you don't know, baking soda absorbs odors. The next thing we're gonna be using is essential oils. I picked lavender, no particular reason. You can use any essential oil flavor you want. I just picked lavender just because I've never really tried this one before. And last thing you can use is a cup or bin or tub. I don't have any of those with me, so I'm just gonna use a Chick-fil-A cup. It will still work. But now that we know our 3 ingredients, let's get right into it. First, obviously, your cup. You're gonna need that. Then you're gonna want to take your baking soda, and usually you would want to pour like half a cup in here, but I don't have anything to measure with, so I'm just going to be using the good old eye test to see where I should probably stop at. And I forgot to mention that these are all very cheap items. These are, the baking soda was like $3. Usually baking soda is not that much. This is only $3 because, like, look at this. This is a pretty big size thing for a baking soda. The natural or the essential oils, which we're about to use right now, actually, now that we have our cup filled up, usually is probably like $1 at Walmart, maybe. So now with the essential oils, we're gonna want to put about 15 to 10 good taps of this in here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't really know if that was 10, honestly. Lost track, but it's okay. Then what you're gonna want to do is, to get a stir or something to stir it up with, I have a butter knife that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna stir this essential oil with, oops. And then you should be able to smell it from here. If you can't, you can add more. I'm gonna add a little bit more to it. That should be good enough. And then just go back to mixing it up again. So now that it is all mixed up, you're gonna want to put the top on it. And if you're using a jar, usually you would want to poke holes in it. This really already has a hole in it, but I'm gonna still poke maybe 2 or 3 holes in it just to make sure that you can smell it really well. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I have poked the holes in it off camera. Not sure if you can really see them that well, but now that you have poked holes in them, it's pretty much ready to go. You can put it near areas that need refreshing. Usually, I would say put it like on a desk, shelf, or like near laundry, or on that in the bathroom somewhere. But yeah, all you need to do is to shake it gently, and it will release a refreshing scent from it. The air fresheners usually last about 2 to 4 weeks. But even when you don't really smell it as strongly as you would just either add more baking soda or just add a few more drops of essential oils. Just to prove that, the smell is strong and it works, I'm gonna ask my roommate to come here and smell it.
No smell test.
Yeah, smell test.
It actually smells pretty good.
Yeah, so, but yeah, that's how you make a DIY air freshener using 3 simple, cheap ingredients. I appreciate you guys for listening. Thank you.